things. Yung nagustuhan ko po sa incarnation is itong contrast between man and God.
Amen.
On the one hand, makikita po natin na yung tao is sinful.
Yes.
Yung tao is in a pitiful condition. Yung tao po, hindi niya po kayang sagipin ang kanyang sarili na dahil sa kasalanan. Pero one day, God took a monumental step. Ibig sabihin, yung Panginoon po, He entered into time. And that pertains to His incarnation. So, purihin po ang Panginoon dahil sa kanyang incarnation, sa pagkakatawang tao. Yung Diyos po na malayo, pumunta po siya at naging isang tao.
Amen.
Kaya nga po dito, in His incarnation, He expressed, it is to express the bountiful God in His humanity through the aromatic virtue, through His aromatic virtues. His rich attributes to His aromatic virtues. Makikita po natin na yung Panginoon, through His human living, sa pag-iikot niya po, yung mga tao po, na-attract ba? Parang naakit sa Kanya. Ito po yung humanity ng Panginoon. Ina-emphasize po dito na He was,